We are continuing with the equations of a straight line. Now he's saying that is the line passing through the points A and B perpendicular to the line? Okay, this time we have to check. There is a line which is passing through A and the coordinates of A are 2 and 3 and B 4 and 1. Now, is the line passing through the points perpendicular through this? Is this line perpendicular to this line? This is not given. This is what we have to find. Fine. How will we find this? Now, we will find the slope of this line. We will find the slope of this line. If the product of the slopes is -1, the two lines are perpendicular to each other, right? So let's first find the slope of line AB. A is having the coordinates -2 and 3 and B is having the coordinates 4 and 1. So we will name this x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So slope of AB is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So what is my y2? 1. What is my y1? 3 upon 4. Minus minus becomes plus 2. So this becomes -2 upon 6. So, sorry, 2 3s are. So -1 upon 3. So we have found slope of AB is -1/3. Now let's find the slope of this line. Okay, what is this line? 3x minus y equal to 1. For that we need to first convert it into standard form. I have shifted this y to this side, so I got y equal to 3x minus 1. Now the coefficient of x is the slope of this line. Let me name this as m. M over here is 3, right? And let me name the slope here as m1 and this as m2. Now let me check if I will write if m1 into m2 is equal to -1, then the lines are perpendicular to each other, right? Okay, so let me write m1 into m2. Let me find that. m1 is -1/3, m2 is 3. Yes, I am getting -1. Therefore, you can say lines are perpendicular to each other. Fine. Okay. Now next one. Next question is saying that does the line, this line, okay, bisect the join of this? Okay. We have a line whose endpoints are -2 and 3 and B 4 and 1. Fine. Now there is a line which is 3x minus y equal to 1. We have to find out whether this line bisects this line. What does that mean? If this line passes through the midpoint of this line, then it is bisecting it, right? Simple. So what is the midpoint of this line then? Can we find that? Yes, we can find that. By midpoint formula, we know that this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. And if we name this point as L, the coordinates of L will be x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 is -2, x2 is 4 divided by 2, y1 is 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So the coordinates of L will be 2 by 2, which is 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2 is 2. So you got the coordinates of L as 1 and 2. Now if this point satisfies this equation, does it mean this equation passes through this point? Right? So if it passes through this point, then obviously this is bisecting line AB. Fine. So let's check that. So how do we prove whether this point L satisfies this? We will substitute replace the values of x and y by 1 and 2 and see whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let me take the left hand side first. That is 3x minus y. So 3, what is my x? 1. Y is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Oh, that's equal to my right hand side. So this line is passing through the midpoint of AB. Hence 3x minus y equal to 1 bisects the join of A and B. Clear?